What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another LS swap video. So today what I think I'm going to do is hopefully I can get my fuel tank out. So as you all know, I have a new fuel tank to go in, and I'm going to work on removing that right now. So these tanks are pretty simple. Most of them are usually held in by about 2 straps. This one's got a bolt right up there and then another bolt on the other side, and this strap that runs right there all the way along the bottom of the tank. There's 2 of them. As soon as you get those loose, the tank will drop down. And then I've also got my filler. It's got, I don't know if you can see it down there, but a bracket, and it's got a little bolt that holds the bracket down to the body. I gotta remove that and remove my fuel lines. So the fuel lines, I think, if I can get you guys up here, way up here. So there's 2 rubber lines. So these are my fuel lines. I did not zip tie those were like that. But the 2 rubber lines, I think I can just snip them, and then the tank can come out, and then I can work on removing, and yes, I got new exhaust to put on this thing, but I can work on removing the old fuel lines from the body itself. So first things first, I'm going to work on removing those fuel lines, or snipping them, and then remove the tank with these bolts right there. And same one on the other side. So let me get to that. So now that I've got both my fuel lines cut right here, I've got another line right here that I need to cut. That's another rubber line. So I'm going to get that cut and then take the bolts out that's holding the tank in. So let me get that cut. Where I'm at with this, I've got, as you guys seen a couple seconds ago, my fuel lines are both disconnected. I have my zip ties no longer attached there. And I've also got, roll around here, this bracket disconnected. That bracket right there was in a dick of a spot. I could not get you guys up there to see it. It had a bolt going straight down, so there was a nut. It's actually still sitting up there. This nut was on the bottom side of this flange, and the bolt was going down. That was a heck of a spot. So I got that off. Now I've sprayed some penetrating fluid on both of these hanger bolts. So I've got my gun, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove one completely, and then the other one I'm going to start to remove and slowly let it down. That way I can catch this fuel tank. So let me get this on here and get it coming off. So there's one, and to get these hangers off, once you got the bolt out, they're pretty simple. So they loop around underneath, and what they do is up here, it has another bolt. And you just unzip that, and this will come out, but I don't think I'm going to need to take it off. I might. I probably will. So let me go grab the right size of the socket and ratchet for that, and I'm just going to zip that out of there real quick. So I have got my ratchet and socket, so I can get that bolt out of there, so I can break it loose. Okay, so once this bolt's out, we'll just push up, so we can grab a hold of it. It'll push up and pull out. And the hanger's out. Okay, so for this bolt, what I'm going to do, I'm going to prop my knee up against the bottom of the tank and slowly, if I can, slowly take that bolt out and let the pressure from the tank rest on my knee. So I'm going to try and get centered on it, and then I'm going to zip this bolt out. Once I got the bolt out, and the tank is now resting on my knee, take this bolt out, set that gun off to the side, get the strap out of the way, and slowly let the tank down. I'm going to hold it up here, so you're going to have to wiggle it around a little bit, but it will come down. And the strap is probably going to be in the way, so I'm just going to end up bending it down and out of the way as far as I can. And then I'm going to get this tank out. Here's 2 wires going to your fuel sending unit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end up just snipping it. Now that I can access them. And your tank should just fall down. So since the fuel tank is out, I think I'm going to call it a day. It's been a fairly long project today. I did this after work, but I did get the fuel tank out, so that was a major accomplishment for me. So as always, guys, if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe. If you're new to subscribe, make sure you click the bell notification. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great day. Catch you guys in the next LS Swap video.